So guys, I did an unboxing of the Google Pixel 3 a few days ago, and a lot of people are just curious like what this Team Pixel is. Like, you see a lot of social media posts about Team Pixel, like who made that up? How did we get all of these boxes in the mail? Like, it's not something you can buy. So I'm just going to tell the truth on what this is, how this all came to be, how I got this free Google Pixel 3 with the charging stand, and I'm a member of Team Pixel. So if we're going to be completely honest, and so you guys know I'm not making up anything, what I'm going to do is just pull up the original emails from Team Pixel. Okay, so I'm not going to share the email address this came from, because what that's going to do is just inundate them with unnecessary emails, and I don't want that to happen. I don't want to be like blacklisted from the future promotions, but I do want to be completely honest. So it just came randomly to me. For the record, I did not reach out to Google or anything like that. And if you are wondering, this did come from an outside agency, like it didn't come from Google directly. So the email address is not at google.com. So it just says, "Hi Jeremy, we're celebrating our latest smartphone, the Google Pixel 3, designed to make every day more extraordinary. We're also looking to grow a brand of passionate tech enthusiasts, the talented people who share their expertise, insights, and advice. We'd love for you to join Team Pixel, and we've got a few more benefits to offer. You'll get a sneak peek of new Google products and access to exclusive events in your city. We also keep you posted on other opportunities and events that might interest you. Please let us know if you have any questions." So basically, like, the initial email, it doesn't really promise much. Just from reading it, you don't even think that you're getting a Google Pixel. It kind of just looks like they want you to post like social media stuff to benefit them. But you know, I don't really have anything to lose. I basically just said I would love to be a part of this. What information do you want from me? And they just said, "We're excited that you got back to us. Here's what we'll need to officially welcome you to the Team Pixel tribe. This information will remain private and for our records only. Throughout the years, we'll keep creating more experiences you can immerse yourself in so you can capture great content to share with the world. We'll be hosting events around the US and giving you exclusive access along the way, but we can't reveal our secrets quite yet, but you can expect good food, great music, and possibly some amazing travel experiences. Attached is your user guide with everything you'll need to know about the Pixel 3, including features such as group selfies and Top Shot, and a guide for posting on social. We ask that you post using gift from Google when showing off your new swag, and of course please tag Team Pixel for a chance to be featured on our Google Pixel Instagram channel. We'll send you the new Google Pixel 3 soon, and we ask that you post content. Use Team Pixel so we can find and feature the best content out there. There's no specific deliverables, but we do encourage you to enjoy the phone and post often as you want, no limits, and there's no contract to sign." So like, just from here, it's just a very innocent experience. They're not telling me to post anything. They're not telling me to not talk about the notch. They're not giving me money. They're just trying to put this phone in a lot of people's hands so that a lot of word can be spread. So that's really all they're asking. And then there's also a user guide that they attached to the email for me to read. So basically it's just kind of an introduction. It mentioned just posting using hashtag Team Pixel, using gift from Google on every post, and just how to switch from your iPhone. So just a very simple guide for new users. And then after that email, they just said, we encourage you to share content captured on your Pixel 3 with our official Team Pixel hashtag across your social channels. And don't forget to disclose your gift in any future experiences using hashtag gift from Google. Be sure to check out a few examples from Pixel members. And then I asked about 5 days ago if I could talk about this experience with you guys. No one emailed me back, so oh well. I thought I would just share. So that's it, guys. Like, there isn't really much to it. It's just a little crazy of a campaign from Google than we're typically used to, just because they sent a lot of these out. Like, I don't really have that many subscribers, and they sent this box out to people that had the same amount as me, some that have lower, more, and just everything in between. So I don't even know how many they sent out. Could it have been 100 or 200 or 1,000? I really have no idea. But probably ultimately they just want people to get, and ultimately they probably just want people to use the phone and advertise for them. So that's really it. Like, it's just the basics of self-promotion. And if they can give people phones that have some type of social awareness and social influence on other people, sending out 1,000 pixels is cheaper than doing an ad on TV. So it's just smart advertising from them. And guys, before you ask, like, please do not inundate with me with like the email address they sent me with. I'm not going to give it out. That's not really the point. I just wanted to share like how I got it, the truth behind everything. And the truth is, I'm still sticking with my iPhone, but I will be gladly using the Pixel 3 to take pictures and test out the camera, everything like that. So I still have that right here in my pocket. And it is a very nice small phone. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.